Located po yung mga function rooms natin. We have a boardroom too if you want. And here at this side, we have so you can
Morning.
Sabi ng back, hanggang dito pa dito. Pero open cancel kayo dito sa kumpanya. Walang
on that side, so you also have the sauna. On the other side. Yeah.
Lahat pa kayo dito bago? Yung mga na-hire?
Ewan ko po, pero ako po newbie talaga ako dito.
Kaya nga.
Pero some employees na before pa nag-start ito, ilan dito na talaga.
Again, how long ka na?
How long is? I start August 13.
Napaka August, September, October, November. October. So, 2 months pa lang.
Yeah, actually came from province here, Cagayan Valley, that's not province.
So, saan ka nag-stay?
Nag-stay po ako sa Balintawak as of now.
Balintawak? Hindi mo para malayo from here?
Medyo malayo talaga.
Oo nga.
Scooter lang po ako araw-araw. Sa ano natin.
Dito ba daan? Or here?
You wanna check the sunset?
Hindi. Yung kahit sa harapan lang.
Dito lang sir, sa loob.
Okay. Nandito sa loob. Anything special about the sauna? Meron bang kakaiba? Or yung standard pa rin?
I haven't experienced sauna before. If you want, you can check the sauna inside.
Sige, pwede ba? O baka kasi may client or
Siguro
guest.
we can start doing the video inside if walang guest.
Sige.
But it's a CR kasi maybe there are some people who really
Oo. May gumagamit, may guest na ba? Okay.
So at this side, sir, we have the Zabana board. So this one is open until 10 p.m.
Okay.
So as you can see, sir, yung mga drinks natin dito, mga wine natin is like really fun sa mga Filipino kasi may mga beer siya.
So do you drink?
I do not drink, sir. I'm sorry. So this side we have the pick to go. And on this side, this is a cafe by your side, which is ito po yung pinakang restaurant namin. And we have the breakfast.
Oh.
Should be at your side.
Actually, galing ako dito kanina.
Yes, sir. This is
Kasi your restroom here
Yeah.
sa lobby is under renovation.
Yeah, under renovation.
So, I had to use that one. Yung sa dulo.
So this is the cafe by your side.
Sige. Thank you very much. So, yun lang.
Yes, sir. By the way, sir, I'm Zoran.
Soren.
Happy to assist you.
Soren Legaspi. Probably your name after Soren Legaspi, no? No.
I don't know, sir. I don't know why your mom named me.
Eh, siya lang ang Soren dito sa Pilipinas eh. Meron pa ba iba?
Hindi ko po alam.
No, parang, how old are you na?
I'm 28
How young?
years 28 years old.
28.
Yes, po.
Sabagay, bata pa rin naman si Soren.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir. I'm happy to assist you. And
Sige.
glad to be here.
Sayang wala pang room.
Yes, sir.
Yun naman sa makita yung kwarto. Kahit isa wala.
Wala po daw, sir. Until time na po.
Sige.
Sir, you may have a seat po dito. So
Sige.
you can have a seat. So, thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you, Soren.